Hello and welcome, and in this video I'm going to talk to you about sort of how to take care and how to maintain your Havells Aqua Plus electric kettle. So when you first get this device, there's a manual, and what I'm going to be telling you is actually from the manual, but in case you don't actually take the time to read it, you can just listen to this video, watch this video. So it's very important that one of the first things that you do is that you run it at least 2 or 3 times before you actually use anything in it. So it says before first use, it's recommended to operate the kettle two to three times at least. Okay, obviously to run it is a no-brainer, but there's the power cable over here. And there's a little groove given over here, so you can put the wire in there, and then you need to plug it in. So I've got a extension board just off camera. I will plug it in there. The kettle itself, it's a 1.2 liter capacity kettle. Made from stainless steel. There you go. As you can see, it's made from 304 stainless steel, and there are markings also. Okay, maximum it goes up to 1.2 liters. I will go ahead and set that down, and I'll open it. Fill it up with water. Let's fill it up with a liter of water. Close it. The power switch is at the bottom basically. I'm going to go ahead and switch that on. There's a light that lights up. Now one of the important things to do is to keep regularly cleaning the kettle to avoid scaling. So what happens is on the sides of the kettle there's this residue that builds up over time, over usage. So it should be cleaned regularly to avoid scaling, right? So the methods to descale, what you need to do is you can use special descaling products that come. What they've recommended is you add 500 milliliters of white vinegar, soak for 1 hour and drop out the vinegar and wash 4 to 5 times with water. Also they've said around 25 grams of lemon. Basically you squeeze out the juice of a lemon, and that also works to remove the scale. And you soak it for 15 minutes and then wash 4 to 5 times. So these are some of the methods: vinegar and lemon juice, to actually remove the scale. So it's actually boiling. Let's see how long it takes to boil. Bring it in the frame. So there you are. The water has now boiled, as you can see, and the lens is getting all fogged up because of that. So there you are, folks. That was how to basically use and how to sort of take care and maintain your Havells Aqua Plus electric kettle. We hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.